Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you how I make my Smell Fresh body spray. Don't mind my tape. My tape is really horrible looking, but the spray is amazing. So this is pretty easy. So you're just going to need a little sprayer bottle, which you can get in our back office. You can order that right on the website. You can also get them on Amazon. So you're going to need a sprayer bottle with a sprayer. Then you're going to need to do 4 drops of On Guard. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 drops of On Guard. And then 4 drops of Wild Orange. One, 2, 3, 4. And I wear this instead of perfume. I'm not a big perfume person, so I wear this. And it makes your body smell nice and fresh. And then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of fractionated coconut oil. So I only could find my half a tablespoon, which is also 14 milliliters if you guys would rather measure it that way, or depending on where you live. So I'm going to measure out. I gotta do this twice because I couldn't find my 1 tablespoon. I can only find my half. I just had my funnel. Where'd my funnel go? Well, there it is. There's a half a tablespoon. And there is my other half a tablespoon. So 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil. And then you need distilled water. So you're just gonna fill the rest of this. I'm just gonna knock, there's a little bit of fractionated coconut oil stuck in my funnel. I want to knock out, there we go. And then you're just gonna fill the rest of the bottle right up with your distilled water. I just put mine in the cup to make it easier because I buy mine in a big gallon jug. So I have mine filled to the top. I know it's hard to see because of my tape being in the way. Then you're going to put your lid on. And then, of course, you'll shake it up before you spray it. And that is how you make Smell Fresh body spray. Alright, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Bye.